Okay, so all the parts have arrived, and I can now crack on and get this engine built. So I'm just going to manipulate it carefully. There we go. Second ring in, and we can move that inside over the inlet for the moment. And then the top ring, that's an easier one, isn't it? There we go. Right. We'll look at where we've got to position the rings. Off my head, I think, the top of my head, I'm off my head, but yeah, I think it's one that way, one over here, and the other two opposite there. But well, I'll check with the manual just to make sure. I don't want to go against that. Okay, that's that done. With the gasket on, the O-ring in place, cam chains in, and the two cam guides. Okay on that one. Time it there on that. And now I'm going to put the cylinder head on. Right, so put the flywheel on at top dead centre. It's marked as a little tang underneath there. I don't know if you can see that, but there is one just underneath there. And then you've got the fire top dead centre on the top. I don't know if you can pick that up. And you make sure that that pin is facing up, and then the cam sprocket should be in that position, and then we'll just tighten this head up, I think, at this stage. Make sure you got that bolt in as well. Might have to, yeah. Okay, there we go. So we're getting there. So sadly, I had to strip it down partially because the cam chain, the new one, is 100 links along the 25-100, which is wrong. It should be this one, which is a 25-98. Because when I had this at this maximum extension to make it tight as possible, it was slack. So I've ordered a new cam chain, 25-98, and hopefully that'll be here in the next couple of days, and then I can put it all back together, and we can move on from there.